So I've got this shovel and I want to turn this into an elephant's head. So I've got this from an old whippersnipper, which I'm gonna kind of mount in here. Don't know which way yet. Might have to taper it off a bit. And then I've got all these shoe caps that I've been collecting, and they're going to be the trunk. There's a fair few of them. And I want to heat up here with the oxy and push it in a bit so I can have these are off of some wheel casters. So I want to push that back so that these sit in a bit. And then I got an old motorcycle tyre that I want to use for the ears, and then I'll touch up bits and pieces from there on.